If you use Gmail on your phone, there's one setting you should probably turn off right now because it can make suspicious links a lot riskier to open. A lot of scam emails today look completely real. Fake delivery updates, bank alerts, account warnings. And one wrong tap can take you to a dangerous website. So let me show you a quick setting that can help make your phone a little safer. First, open the Gmail app on your phone. Tap the three lines in the top left corner, then scroll down and open Settings. Next, tap on General Settings. Scroll all the way down until you find Open Web Links in Gmail. If this setting is enabled, links can open directly inside Gmail instead of your regular browser. So go ahead and turn this setting off. This will force links to open in your browser instead, which usually has better protection and safer browsing features. Avoid tapping random links from suspicious emails, even if they look urgent or official. That's how a lot of scams begin. Thanks for watching.